Integrating Todoist with Notion allows you to combine task management and project organization in one seamless workflow. Although there's no direct integration between Todoist and Notion, you can use third-party automation tools like Zapier or Integromat to connect them. Here's how to set it up using Zapier. Create a Zapier account. Sign up or log into your Zapier account at zapier.com. Connect Todoist and Notion. In Zapier, click Create Zap. Choose Todoist as the trigger app and select the trigger event. Connect your Todoist account by logging in and granting permission. Next, choose Notion as the action app and select the action event. Connect your Notion account to Zapier and choose the Notion database where you want to send Todoist tasks. Set up the workflow. Customize the workflow by mapping Todoist task details to corresponding fields in your Notion database. Test and activate. Test the Zap to ensure tasks from Todoist appear in Notion. Once successful, turn on the Zap to automate the integration.